Good morning everybody. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ming here. We have new topic on the board. It's called LCM. It's least common multiple. The definition of LCM is the smallest number that two or more numbers will divide into evenly. And the LCM is used when adding and subtracting fractions. And in finding the prime factorization of number, we utilize the factor trees, and we also use Venn diagram. In consideration of Venn diagram, after creating the diagram, just multiply all the factors appearing in the diagram. There you will find the LCM of the numbers. Now we have example over here on the board. We need to find the least common multiple of two numbers. Two numbers are 24 and 30. So to get the least common multiple of these two numbers, we need to find out those factors of each one. So let's say we're using the factor tree method to extract the factors of each number. So factor 3 for 24, so we get the prime factorization. To get the prime factorization of the number, we utilize the factor tree method. So the factor of 24 is 2 and 12, and 12 can be factored out again by 2 and 6, and 6 can be factored out to 2 and 3. So those are the prime factors of 24, 2 and 3. And the other one is 30. So let's find the factor of 30. So on factor 3, that is 2 times 15, and 15 comes out to 3 times 5. So these are the factors of 30, 2, 3, and 5. You have the word right there, common. So you have to find the common factor on both. What we have right here is on here, on 30, we have 2 and 3. We have 2 and 3 over here. 5 here, we don't have 5 over here. So the least common factor, we get these factors right here, 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 on both, and we indicate it in a Venn diagram. So Venn diagram is circles containing all those factors of each number. So Venn diagram looks like this. Venn diagram is illustrated by circles. If you have two numbers being considered right here, we have two circles. Like in 24 and 30, we assume this is 24. This is circle for the number 24. We're trying to find out the least common multiple on, and the other circle is 30. Since we're looking for a least common multiple, we have to find the common factor for each number. So we have 2 and 3 over here and 2 and 3 over there. So there's an intersection where you see that one right there. All those common factors should lie in that intersection. So we have numbers 2 and 3. So that's 2 and 3. And then the rest of the factors of each number should lie outside that intersection right there. So what's on 24, that's we have 2 and 2. We have 2 and 2 right there. And on 30, since we got the 2 and 3 already, we have the factor out right outside of that intersection. So now to find the least common multiple of numbers, all we have to do is multiply all the numbers in there, including those in the intersection. LCM is equal, multiply all those numbers, those factors that we have right there in the Venn diagram. So that's 2 times 2, that's from there, and then 2 times 3. I indicated in the parentheses those in the intersection. So times 3 times 5. So that's 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Times 5. What's the LCM? 6 times 5 is 30. Times 4. 120. Right? So that's the LCM for both numbers. In the Venn diagram, see this at intersection, we have those common factors right there. If you take a look at this circle right here on the 30, the prime factorization of 30 are 2, 3, and 5 right side we have 2, 3, and 5. You've on number 24, circle 24, you got 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, 2, 2, and 2 and 3. So these are all the factors of 24. And what lies in between are those common factors, 2 and 3. Those are the common factors for both numbers. So we have another example over here. So we have two numbers over here. We're trying to find the least common multiple on both numbers. So 18 and 72. So let's start with factoring number 18. So that's 2 and 9. And 9 is 3 and 3. Those are the prime factors. 3 times 3, 9 times 2, 18. 72 is 2 times 36. And 36 is perfect square, so that's 6 times 6. And that is 2 and 3. Factor out 6 again, 2 and 3 again. Now if you can see, we got common factors right here. We have 3 and 3 here and 2 right there. So 3 and 3 and 2 right here. So these numbers, these factors go inside the intersection of those two circles. So you got 2, 3, and 3 for 18. And nothing else over here. And on the 72, the circle is, since we got these 3 factors already over here, 2 3s and 1 2. So the factors remaining are 2 and 2. So we got everything carried out. 3 and 3, 2 and then 2 and 2. To find the LCM is, get the numbers again, 2 times 3 times 3 times those two outside 2's right there. So 3 times 3, 9 times 2, 18 times 2 times 2 is 4. So LCM is 18 times 4. So 36 times 2, 72. So that's the answer. Now if we apply the knowledge of getting the least common multiple of numbers in solving addition, subtraction, or fractions using the LCM, the example over here, 5 over 24 minus 7 over 30. If you notice, those denominators are from the numbers we used earlier in demonstrating the Venn diagram, finding the least common multiple of numbers, 24 and 30. We found the LCM of both numbers was 120. So we'll be using that as LCM for this solving fractions, subtraction and fraction. Solving this, we use the LCM. So the LCM was 120. So we'll be multiplying this by 120. Dividing this by the 120 same way. So this equal 120 divided by 120 is just multiplying by 1. So it won't affect the answer. Okay, so let's do that. First, so 120 times 5 over 24, that's what it means by that. 120 times 5 over 24 minus 120 times 7 divided by 30 all over 120. So that will be equal to 120. So 120 times 5. 120 times 5, that's 600, right? So that's 600 over 24 minus, so we cancel the zeros right there. So that's like 12 times 7 over 3. And then 12 over 3 is 4, right? 4 times 3 is 12. So 4, so that's 4 times 7, 28 over 120. We can simplify this further. 600 over 24 is how much? 24 times. That's 25 minus 28 all over 120. So we're getting a negative answer to that. So that is equal to 25 minus 28 is negative 3 over 120. 40 times 3 is 120, right? So that's negative 1 over 40. So that's our answer. We simplify this one. You got divide by 3 over here, divide by negative, divide by 3 on that one also. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 120 divided by 3 is 40. So that's the answer. So that's all for now, and thank you for watching my tutorial video about least common multiple numbers. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and share. So I appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Have a great day.